Hello everyone, in this video we're going to solve the following exponential equation and find the all real solutions of x. So here x belongs to real numbers. Let's start. As you can see, the left hand side can be written as, and we see that 64 to the power of x is 4 to the power of 3x, minus 27 to the power of x is 3 to the power of 3x, and which is equal to, so I can rearrange also the right hand side of this equation. So therefore here 3 times, so let me show here, we see that 48 is factorable, so therefore I can factor it as 3 times 60, and which is equal to 3 times 4 squared. And for 36 is 9 times 4, and which is equal to 3 squared times 4. Now, then the right hand side can be written as 3 times 4 to the power of 2 and to the power of x minus 3 squared times 4 to the power of x. Now, let me rewrite the left hand side as it is. 4 to the power of 3x minus 3 to the power of 3x is equal to, expanding the right hand side, I will get 3 times 4 squared to the power of x minus 3 times 3 squared times 4 to the power of x. Now I have to expand also the right hand side, so therefore I'm going to use the following formula. We know that a to the power of b to the power of n is always equal to a to the power of n times b to the power of n. Now, using this formula, the right hand side can be written as, first of all, let me rewrite the left hand side as it is. 4 to the power of 3x minus 3 to the power of 3x is equal to 3 times, so here 3 to the power of x times 4 to the power of 2x, minus, in the same manner, 3 times 3 to the power of 2x times 4 to the power of x. So now here, for the last equation, I can make a substitution, so therefore 3 to the power of, 3 to the power of x is equal to m, and 4 to the power of x is equal to n. So now, using this, we see that this is going to be n cubed minus this is going to be m cubed is equal to 3 times, so here since 3 to the power of x is m, so therefore 3 times m times here n squared minus 3 times m squared n. Now let me move all terms which are in the right hand side to the left hand side, so therefore I will get n cubed minus 3mn squared plus 3m squared times n, and minus m cubed is equal to 0. And as you can see, I can also now express the left hand side as a cube. So using the following formula, I can easily do it. We know that a cubed minus 3a squared b plus 3b squared a minus b cubed is always equal to a minus b to the power of 3. Now, using this, the left hand side can be written as simply n minus m to the power of 3 is equal to 3. And we can see that here we can easily find that n minus m is equal to 3, and here n is equal to n. And as you remember, we labeled that 3 to the power of x is equal to m and 4 to the power of x is equal to n, which means that, here, let me write here. So 3 to the power of x is equal to then if n is equal to m, also 4 to the power of x is equal to m. So therefore here we can equate that 3 to the power of x is equal to 4 to the power of x. Now, how to solve this, the last exponential equation? So to solve this, we have to divide both sides by 4 to the power of x or 3 to the power of x. So it's up to you. So therefore, let me, in my case, let me divide both sides by 4 to the power of x. Then I will get this equation is equivalent to 3 to the power of x divided by 4 to the power of x, and the left hand side is 1. And by using the following formula, I can rearrange the left hand side of the last equation, we know that a over a to the power of x and over b to the power of x can be written as a over b to the power of x. So therefore, using this formula, I can easily rearrange the left hand side. So therefore, this is going to be equal to 3 over 4 to the power of x. And we see that 1 can be written as 3 over 4 to the power of 0. Now we see that bases are the same. We can equate exponents. So here we'll get x is equal to 0. So this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.